My name is Kent Leach. I'm a professor of orthopedic surgery and biomedical engineering, and my federally funded research is to develop biomaterials-based approaches to enhance the ability of cells to repair damaged bone. For context, about 1 in 4 people on planet Earth have a musculoskeletal disorder. In the United States, this boils down to 1 in 2 patients over the age of 18. And as we progress in age over the age of 65, that number increases to 3 out of 4 Americans with a musculoskeletal disorder. Now, when you take into account that by 2034, we will have more adults over the age of 65 than we have kids under the age of 18, this is a major societal problem that we must overcome. So my research aims to develop improved strategies to accelerate repair of musculoskeletal tissues to treat these patients in need. So cell-based approaches to repair damaged tissues have not excelled the way that we would like. This is because these cells typically die in less than 3 days, and of course, the process of tissue repair takes much longer than that. My research has discovered some alternative approaches to prolong cell survival using biomaterials approaches derived from natural and synthetic materials that can improve the ability of cells to repair damaged bone and cartilage. I think one of the biggest implications it has right now is on the trainees. Trainees who are performing research now, trainees who are anticipating coming to the university to perform research, and the disillusion of how this research is valued among the public and within the public eye. We need to make sure that we are investing in these trainees because scientific discoveries have a long runway to make a positive impact in human patients. And so we must continue investing in these and maintain the momentum that we have gained over the last several decades by investing in science in the United States. We think about, obviously, the development of new products that go into humans and prolong their ability to work, prolong their ability to be avid consumers and participate in society. We should be thinking about the thousands of biotech companies that provide materials and reagents to support the infrastructure of conducting this research. We should also think about participation of these individuals as residents, as citizens of the United States, so they don't go to other countries to perform this research. We want the best and brightest to come to America, to remain in America, and perform these life-changing studies that benefit the quality of life for not just Americans, but people around the world. The reduction in federal funding for musculoskeletal health research will affect every single American, from birth across the full lifespan. We think about patients who have congenital abnormalities in musculoskeletal development, be it spina bifida or pediatric cancers. We think about the athletes in the height of physical fitness who have a torn anterior cruciate ligament or a broken bone. And we think about, as we age, we think about frailty associated with osteoporosis. So failure to fund these types of projects will literally affect the lifestyle and well-being of every American.